going to be taking a look at MIlemont's adjustable bed frame and how to assemble it. The one that we have here is the twin XL size, as this will be going into my spare bedroom. It comes in a very convenient and small box, but don't let the size of the box deceive you. This thing weighs in at around 100 pounds and you should definitely have 2 people to move it. We will start off by cutting away the straps around the box and cutting through all the tape all the way around. Once the tape has been cut off, the top of the box lifts right off. Because I don't feel like trying to lift it out of the box, I'll just rip the sides of the bottom down and move away the plastic. MIlemont is known for making bedroom items, and I actually use their pillows for my bed as they can somehow be almost ice cold on one side. I have no idea how it works, but it's definitely nice to have a cool pillow at night. When I saw they were now making bed frames, I went ahead and placed an order for one to try out and see if it's as good as their other products. Once we have the box and plastic out of the way, we can go ahead and start to unfold the bed frame. The box of supplies is inside the frame, so we start off by removing the 3 boxes. Hardware includes 6 legs, the remote and batteries, the power adapter, and the mattress bar that holds the mattress. We will go ahead and screw on the 6 legs that we have. You'll notice on the end of the frame that there are 2 holes for each leg. You'll want to use the outer holes and not the inner ones. After we get the legs screwed on, we'll take a look at our other 2 boxes. In the first one we have the remote and batteries, which we'll set aside for now, and in the other we have the power adapter. The power adapter plugs into the bed frame and has a swivel clip that holds the 2 pieces together, as well as the actual cord itself to plug into the power brick. Once everything is connected, we will go ahead and flip the bed over. Per MIlemont's instructions, they do recommend having 2 people to flip the bed over, as well as to not put it on its side as you could potentially damage things. Since I don't have assistance here, I have to make do with doing it solo, but I do also highly recommend getting help with moving it as you could easily hurt yourself. One other thing to note is you'll notice that when I flip it over, the legs are a little bent inwards, which is an issue that could lead to damaging the bed. Fortunately, in my case, I did not do so. I was able to bring the bed out and keep everything nice and flat. But if you were to drop the bed or anything like that at that angle, it would cause damage. And the last thing for us to do is to install the mattress retainer bar, which is done simply by sliding one side in first, and then bringing the other side down into the retaining hole, and then centering it. Extremely simple and no tools required. After the bar is installed, you can go ahead and put the batteries in the remote and test everything out to make sure it works. To remove the back of the remote, simply press on the tab at the bottom and the whole back lifts off. Simply press the power button on the remote, the top center button, and try it out. And wait, it's not working? What's wrong? So this was no fault of the product or MIlemont. In the instructions it does clearly say to plug the bed into a grounded outlet, and sadly most of my outlets aren't grounded, so the frame was not responding because of this. Time to grab an extension cord. Now that we have the frame plugged into the one outlet in my house that's grounded, everything works exactly as it should. The remote has a few different functions on it to work with whatever you're wanting. You can independently raise and lower the head or footrests, raise and lower both at the same time, or utilize a single press of the center flat button to bring the frame back to being completely flat. While it may seem that the frame is rather slow, this does seem to be about average speed for these types of frames, as I've used a few others over the years. I can pleasantly say that the frame works beautifully and is yet another wonderful product from MIlemont yet again. And as for why there's no mattress on it, well, my mattress is still in storage as I'm in the midst of moving, but the mattress bar appears to be more than strong enough to support any foam or flexible mattress you put on there. Thanks so much for tuning in, guys, and have a wonderful day.